All right, so I'm just going to do this real quick. I'm going to come in and divide the surface like we've been doing, and I'll change the divisions to like 6 and 6 just to make it faster, right? And then I'll turn on the nodes. And then I'm going to come over to my families and expand those and go to generic models. So I have these different ones. I'm just going to put, let's see, the 4-point flap on there. So let's say that you had put the 4-point flap, right? So I'm just going to come and put this guy on, right? And then if I take it and repeat it, right, it'll repeat it over that guy. And if I go to shaded, you can see it. Now, when you load other things in, like the weave, right, they should be here. Like you should be able to go to your project browser and expand that. And you should see the weave. And if you wanted to just come in and delete this one, right, you could come in and go to the weave and drag that in and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll put the weave in and you can repeat it, right? But it won't overwrite the existing component if it doesn't have the same name, right? It's going to take a minute to do that. But what you can also do is that if you've got another component on there already, so you've got like a square frame on there already, and you load the 4-point weave, don't even look at it over in the families, just come over here, and if you hover over your component and pick it, and it picks the whole thing, you should be able to actually come over here in the type pull down and just pick the 4-point weave offset, and it'll flip it out for the other one, because 4 points will flip out for 4 points, right? Like you don't even have to replace it. It just goes in and puts the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. So see if that's the issue. If it's not, then email me back.